Hello friends, welcome to my channel DataMaking. In this video, we are going to discuss about how to access Apache Kafka in our DataMaking VM2. People who are not having the DataMaking VM2, please send us a request using the link, which is a contact page of Data Science Wiki blog website. You can go to this link and you can send us a request. We will send you this VM so that you can import it on your system and you can use it. Okay. I will add this link in the description section of this video. You can take it up. Okay, so now what we are going to do is say example. So Kafka is going to be used as a messaging system. Okay, publish subscribe messaging system. So if we want to some source want to send the data to the Kafka broker. So basically, in Kafka we have something called broker, which is nothing but Kafka server. Okay, which manages the messages. Okay, using a Kafka topic. Topic is kind of, you can say, it's a in-memory buffer or placeholder where message is being published there, and different parties who is a consumer can consume the message from the topic. Okay, so if you want to do that in our VM, so how we can do it? That's what we are going to see in this video. Let's start. Oh, I started my VM. Okay, so this is my VM. Okay, so I know the like I given the password and user ID password for all the details. You can follow through my other videos in my playlist. Okay, so basically we are using DataMaking as a user and DataMaking as a password for this VM. Okay, so first thing is I'll just open the terminal. So I installed Kafka in this location, home /home/ data making /softwares. In this we have a Kafka. We have installed a version 2.6.0. Okay, it is installed on this, and I configured Kafka as a system service. Whenever the system boots up, the service will start. So if you want to verify whether the Kafka daemons, because we started the VM, right, it should be running because it's there as a system service. So if you just type JPS, so you find these two process. One is Kafka broker. What you see, Kafka is actually Kafka server or broker just running, and another process called quorum peer main, which is nothing but a Zookeeper. So Kafka needs Zookeeper to work properly, because Zookeeper being a coordination service, who were publishing and consuming messaging from the Kafka component or Kafka server, right? So what we are going to, we just check this is running. Okay, so if you want to check the status of the service, you can just use sudo systemctl status, then the service name. Okay, so I'll copy this and I'll paste it here. Enter the password, which is data making. So the Zookeeper service is running, because you see here it is active and running. Similarly, you can check just Control C to come out of that. You can check the Kafka service status as well. Okay, so let me do this. Okay, so Kafka service also active and it is running. Okay, it's done. Now let's go back. Go back now. Okay, so if you want to start the service, you can use same sudo systemctl start Kafka, and you can actually, you need to start before starting Kafka, you need to start the Zookeeper. That's how the order in which you need to start it. First, you need to start the Zookeeper, then followed by Kafka. You need to start. If you want to start the service, you can use sudo systemctl stop Zookeeper, and then followed by stop Kafka. Okay, so if you actually, the Kafka will be listening, sorry, Zookeeper will be listening on the default port number 2181. You can verify whether the port number is running. So it's listening. Okay, it's listening on 2181 on this. You can see here is listening on this, just to verify whether the process the service is running properly. These are the steps. I will add this all the steps in the description section of this video. You can follow it. This is to check whether this is the default port number for Kafka broker. So, or they call it as bootstrap server, whatever. So it is 9092 is the default port number. Okay. And then now what we are going to do is we are going to create a simple topic. which is kind of a placeholder to store message, and we are going to describe that message, and we also want to see how many number of topic in the Kafka broker, and then we'll try a simple command line producer and consumer and check how the messaging is being passed from publisher to consumer. Okay, so let me create a topic called order events. So this is the command. So you are going to use the command line utility called Kafka topics followed by create. What you are going to create is a topic. So you need to provide option topic followed by topic name. This is a order review is the topic name, and you need to pass this bootstrap server, which is nothing but a Kafka broker, which is this in my local machine and listening on the port number 9092. So I create a topic. Okay, let it get create, and then we'll get a command to describe the topic. Okay, just a command to excuse me describe the topic. It is running still. Okay, it is created. So let's run the describe command to uh, sorry. So it is going to describe the topic. So like so topic can be a, partition, different part. It can have multiple partitions. So for now I'm creating only one partition because we have only one node. It's a single node Kafka cluster. Kafka can be configured as a cluster environment. Okay, and replication factor as 1. So that's how it is described here. And if you want to check different topics available on this Kafka broker, you can run this list command. I hope only one topic is there, order events. Okay, so now we are going to excuse me. So I'm going to run this Kafka command line consumer producer. So basically, uh, if you take a Kafka, it's always a two party will be there. Like there will be a publisher, there will be a one or more consumers. Okay, so let us make one producer here. Okay, so we'll publish some message here, some text message, and we'll see whether consumer able to consume that message. So this is the command to command line utility to run the consumer. Okay, so in the producer what you are giving, so yes, you are running this and saying that this is a topic I am going to publish some message, and what is the broker URL, which is nothing but bootstrap server localhost colon 9010. Okay, so in the consumer, basically this utility you are going to run it. What you need to provide, which topic you are going to from which topic you are going to consume the message. So topic name you need to provide, whether it's you going to uh, get the messages from the beginning of the topic, like basically all the messages from the beginning or latest one. So for now I just created new topic, so I will use from beginning. If you ignore this, only the new messages is coming to the topic will be pulled. Okay, so I'll just run this. Okay, so we'll go and say hello Kafka or hello world Kafka. I'll pass this message, and if you come here, you should be able to see here. Hi, how are you? So this will be, so all this, whatever the message you publish to this topic order events, it's been consumed here. Okay, this is how you need to uh, start trying Kafka topic. This is just to test whether your environment is working fine. How do you access? How do you create a topic? How do you publish and subscribe message using command line? But in real time, you will be using applications, like either it can be a Java application which act as a producer to send message to the topic. It can be a Python application, anything, and consumer can be anything. So consumer can be simple Python consumer, or it can be a Spark structure streaming or Spark streaming, anything. So that's how you need to work on it. So I hope this video is helpful for you. So if you have any queries, post on my description section of this video. I'm happy to help you. Please subscribe my channel if you are not subscribed. I see many people are watching my videos but they are not subscribed, I would request you to subscribe my videos so that and click on bell button to get whenever I push new content or new videos, it will reach you. So, thank you so much, friends. See you in the next video.